How to fix an error occurred, please try again later in YouTube on Windows. To fix an error occurred, please try again later on YouTube for Android, try, 1. Hard reload your web page on your browser via the Ctrl plus F5 keys. 2. Restart your modem or router. 3. Clear browser cache. 4. Update browser. Five. Use a different browser. 6. Flush system DNS cache via IP protocol configuration /flushdns command, admin mode. 7. Update your graphics and audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Change the video resolution. 9. Enable JavaScript option in your browser.